gonna make a paper airplane.
With me!
You scared me.
Yeah, that was cringe.
Nigger.
Bruh!
Sorry.
Bad words.
Sorry, guys. Please do not report me. I just
look.
got back.
Look,
By the way, this is a comeback video.
yeah, look. So we fold it like this.
I'm gonna just slap by this paper.
You mean throw? Bruh. Remember, we do not live in the same house.
Yeah. By the way, you should make a video of your channel, but I'm in your house.
Yeah.
A video, not a short.
Alright. And then we're making paper planes again. I'll be the judge of the plane.
Okay.
This plane just caught up in my mind. Bro, you're so sus. Bro thinks he's queso.
I eat queso. I literally played a very...
Then you're Coco O. More like K-O.
Co-o.
Alright, never mind. Alright, now after this...
Kiddo.
Shut up. Alright,
Chinso.
never mind. Look at this.
Kinito.
Look at this, okay? It looks like this, guys, right? Then we fold this down.
I thought you weren't looking.
Then we fold. We fold it
We
like a
actually have
plane.
oatmeal? We actually have oatmeal. I never know. Has me
Alright, now it should look like this. Then we fold this up.
We gotta make the viewers see this.
Yeah, look.
I
hope we-
I'm about to explode.
You're about to explode.
Silent explode. And I just already did it.
Alright, then after this, we make it the wing.
gonna get some water.
Bro's about to drink, gulp water. Bro, you don't have a jawline! You dummy! And look at that, guys. This is the plane. What I have been making for. Look at this guy. Look at the bottom, guys. This is amazing. This took us 8... guys, I think you'll have to come with the camera, okay? What the hell do you think you're doing? Bro, what's wrong with you? Bro, the viewers!
Okay.
The viewers are freaking watching!
Okay, there's no water, even though there's water.
Huh?
That's the... You're breaking the laws of physics.
Bro, it's not about... what is that? Isn't that water? Is that pee? Is that urine? Is that poop? What the hell do you think you're doing?
I don't know.
Wait, I've got a bright idea.
Bruh.
Get out of here.
Finally, it's working.
Fixed. Problem solved.
Now go.
I've already finished the plane, you idiot. Bro.
I'm water addicted. I want more water.
Of course you need water.
Wait,
Now, just ignore the TV.
ignore the TV. It's literally lagging.
No, it's loading. Now let's go outside.
Bro, it's literally night. We should do it in the, like there.
No, all right, look at this plane. I
Let's
think
close-
this is the best plane. Oh my
Let's
God.
close the door first.
No. Oh, white. Okay.
Snow White.
Look at this guy.
I'm kind of tired.
Oh my God! Wait, that was smooth. Wait. Look.
God.
Look. Bro!
Okay.
That's us.
Bro.
What? nearly went to my gaming set. To your gaming set?
Yeah. Ignore why it doesn't look like a gaming set.
It's because I live in Filipino. Look, look. Oh my god!
Hell. Wait, so I'll get it.
Gross in the fridge.
Spy mode. Ow, my balls! Help me! Ow, my balls! Help me! You gotta help me, bro.
What?
Help me, bro. I'm gonna move this.
Bro! The viewers! The poor freaking viewers!
Sorry, viewer. Just gotta put the phone in.
You may have the ketchup, but I have the Rampure cornstarch. What's even? Oh my god! It just spilled cornstarch on me. It just spilled cornstarch.
Hey, did you just show my body?
Yeah.
Do not ever show my body ever again.
All right, look. I hope it doesn't go there again. Just track the plane, okay?
Again?
Bro likes going there.
Nah, that's his home, I think.
I think you better go down there.
Oh, hell no.
Poor viewers.
Ow. Ow. Is that your birthday, right?
On Monday.
Ow.
My birthday's December 9th.
Ow. Yeah, bro. Ow.
Bro, suffering.
Sulod ka hawa, dira.
The plane. It's stuck. And finally you're in there.
But now I'm stuck.
Hold the camera.
Shut up. Please help me.
Alright,
I-fix na.
track the camera. I'm not gonna throw it right there. I'm gonna throw it here. Bro's weak. Look. Oh my god. Wait, let's throw that again. Wait, go on the very last one. And then so the viewers can check.
I'm in the corner.
What the?
Bones.